For problem number 22, you're given a data set and it's wanting to know which ones are correct, and it's one of those 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, etc. So I highly recommend ignoring your choices and just check and see which ones work. So you can grab your TI Inspire, you can enter your data, and you can figure out which of these work. I'm going to say that when I put this into my TI Inspire, or I just count, I will find out that this one works. I will find out that the box plot also works. And then with the frequency table, you can also, or frequency plot, you can say, well, let's go ahead, now that I know this top one works, I can just count. So from 65 to 70, I can see I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at this, there's a frequency of 5 between 61 and 71, so that works. Now when I switch over to the 71 to 81, the only entries here are on 80. There's 3, and you can see your frequency count is 3. Then when you switch from 81 to 91, it's also 3, and you can see your only entries up here are 85 and then 90. There's a 3 total. And when we go to the 91 to 101, you can see that you're counting up to 4, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So that also works. So 1, 2, and 3 all work. Now I can go down and be totally comfortable in selecting number 4.